double victory celebration isinagawa ng mutya ng Pilipinas sa kanilang dalawang queen na nagsipanalo sa ibang bansa. Isang double victory press conference ang ibinigay ng Mutya ng Pilipinas Organization sa kanilang dalawang queen na kapwa nagbigay ng karangalan sa Pilipinas na sina Eunice Deza at Lindsay Maranan. Sa nasabing double victory celebration, winelcome sina Eunice at Lindsay ng presidente ng Mutya ng Pilipinas na si Cory Quirino.
Ladies, I'm very proud of the two of you. You had a dream in your heart and you pursued it and you went for it and came home with a crown. Congratulations, Eunice and Lindsay. The two of you are unstoppable. You know, when a queen tells you they want to compete, they won't let you rest until you say yes.
Sa tanong ng Newswatch, inamin ng dalawa na kapwa sila kinabahan matapos na laging huli silang tawagin. Si Eunice ay second to the last ng tawagin sa top 16 ng top model of the world sa Egypt.
Top 16, but I was second to the last to be called to enter it. And I was looking on my co-candidates. I saw Colombia, I saw South Africa. There's a lot of girls deserve to enter the top 16. And we only have 2 spots. And I was really praying to God, Lord, make me enter in this first cut. I'll do my best until the end. And then, yeah, and He really answered my prayer. But at that moment, I was really, have a mini heart attack when the Philippines was called Philippines, and I was really almost crying on the stage that night. But I remember that wala akong makeup artist na magtatouch up ng makeup ko, so dapat ma-control ko pa rin yung tears at all. And then when I was told lost on the top 6, which I really needed to enter just to have the opportunity to bring home the title of the competition, my legs was really shaking inside the ground, that I was really hoping and praying that, Lord, please call the Philippines. It's the only spot to enter. But when the host, when the host called the Philippines, it was it. I was really feeling so cold, like, I asked my co-candidate, is it Philippines? Kasi parang ayaw ko kasi mapahiya na parang, dahil gusto kong matawag, mamaya narinig ko lang sa Philippines na tinatawag. Pero when I clearly heard and confirmed it's Philippines, syempre umarang tayo, parang kanwari, hindi tayo na pressure at all. So from that moment, I just enjoy and look forward to the crown that I really wanna bring home. That God has another way for me to enjoy success tonight. He gave me a runner-up title for the Philippines.
Habang si Lindsay naman ay last na tinawag sa mga pumasok sa top 10 ng Miss Global Universe sa Singapore.
As the last contestant to be called into top 10, sobrang pong nerve-wracking. Kasi knowing na you're wearing Philippines across your heart. Kasi ganun pala po sa international competition. Once you wore the Philippine sash, everyone is expecting you to be perfect. Ina-expect nila na wala kang pagkakamali. Ina-expect nila na every labas mo, kahit umaga yan magbe-breakfast, kailangan naka-full glam ka na. Ganun pala yan. So, I did every assignment that was given to me. Lumalabas po ako ng naka-full glam, mag-breakfast, ganyan. So, nung last na, nag-iisip na po ako na, hala, baka sayang yung effort ko, yung pagod ng team. Hala, baka wala akong madala sa Pilipinas kundi yung pagod ko ulit pabalik. Yun po yung nakifeel ko na, and then Philippines was called. So, yun, sobrang sabi ko na lang, Lord, thank you po. Hindi ko po sasayangin yung slot na yun. And I'll do my very best to bring home the crown.
Ang dalawa ay parehong gumawa ng history. Ito'y dahil si Eunice ang kauna-unahang Pinay na nakapasok sa top 3 at tinanghal na second runner-up ng top model of the world. Si Lindsay naman ang kauna-unahang Pinay na nagwagi ng corona sa Miss Global Universe. Samantala, sa nasabing double victory celebration pa rin, tuluyan ang inanaos ni Quirino ang isa pang Mutya Queen na lalaban ngayong taon.
Collaboration of the franchise owner of Miss Polo Universe. We have accepted their invitation to field our beautiful Andrea and Lisa to compete with Miss Polo Universe in Dubai in September.
Bagamat medyo may alam na si Andrea na siya ang susunod na magko-compete abroad, ngunit naging emotional pa rin ito na matanggap ang balita galing mismo kay Quirino.
This is a complete surprise for me. And right now my heart is racing. I have no words to express, but I'm really happy that tears are coming out. A few months ago I said finally to a lot of you, but now this is it. Finally, I am shouting Philippines very soon.
Kasabay nito ang pahayag ni Quirino na may mga bagong franchise ang Mutya ng Pilipinas. Kabilang na dito ang Mutya ng Pilipinas Rizal na pangungunahan ni Dr. Ray Carpio at Engineer Mark Carpio, ang Mutya ng Pilipinas Samar sa ilalim ng pamamahala ni Jose Marichu Lauzon at ang Mutya ng Pilipinas Laguna at Filipino Community of Guam sa ilalim naman ng pamamahala ni Pauline Palma.